Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, inshallah, we are going to complete exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, page 26. Yalla, open your books, open your workbooks quickly. The first one, طبعا هاي الاكسرسايزز عندنا self check 3 grammar. عندي grammar self check اللي عندنا تدقيق ذاتي. You should answer them and you should write your mark. For example, if I answer all the questions or the sentences, you can put 7 7. إنه هون هي عبارة عن تدقيق ذاتي إلك. Let's read number 1. Who wants to read? Raise your hand. يلا يا قايس. Stop. Complete. Stop. في عندي هاي الوردز بالبوكس إنه you should complete أكمل. The rules عندنا اللي هي قواعد about countable and uncountable. What's the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns? يلا raise your hand. أي علي countable.
The countable nouns we have a plural and singular.
Yeah, we have forms in a singular form and plural form. For example, a book, books, a pen, pens, a student, students, etc. But uncountable, we just have a singular form. Yeah, guys, look at the board. Okay, a few, many, some, a little, much, a lot of, any. Read number 1, guys, again.
We use this in affirmative sentences with countable and uncountable words.
Yeah, again, and now we use
A lot of some.
yeah, we use a lot of and some in affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences جمل مثبتة with countable and uncountable. سواء كان عندي countable or uncountable هاي الرول عندنا للسام a lot of. Yes, عمر?
We use indicative sentences and questions with countable and uncountable nouns.
What we use?
Any.
We use any. Good. We use any in negative sentences and questions with countable and uncountable. Yes, good. Excellent. يلا يا موسى. Listen to Musa then Yamin. Yeah, we often use غالبا use what? Much in negative sentences. بحكي لك غالبا تكون بالنيجاتيف منفية جمل منفية and questions with uncountable nouns هي أسماء غير معدودة. يلا يا من بعدين كريم. many يا هلا صار عندي countable nouns. طبعا بحكي لك often غالبا بتكون هي negative يا قصي negative sentences and questions with countable. يلا يا كريم. We often use يلا read. Sentences countable and uncountable nouns. يعني سواء كانت countable معدودة or uncountable يعني which one? A lot of, also some. The next, let's read number. يلا يا أحمد. يلا أحمد. Read. Quantities of uncountable nouns. كميات small لكن uncountable a little. ما بنستخدم a few. يا محمد. Yeah, we use what? To talk about smaller quantities of countable nouns, محمد. A few. يلا check your answers quickly. Okay, the next exercise by using a lot of, lots of, many, much, a few, a little, some, any. You should complete the next exercise. يلا raise your hands. Complete the sentences. طبعا don't forget after the space عندي هون space. انتبه للnoun. أي حارث.
I have only but a little milk in your tea. Do you want more?
I've only put what? A little yeah. اللي عندنا هون هي عندنا الايه. طلع لي على اللوح شوي. Look at the board. طبعا هي الايه وهي الميلك. Countable or uncountable? Uncountable. I put only a little milk. A little يعني القليل من الملك. الملك هي uncountable. فبالتالي ما بحكي a few فبحكي ايش؟ A little. Don't drink. Let's read number 1. هلا number 2 يلا. اقرأ يا منذر.
Don't drink all we have been put much
Water. Look at the board. Again. Don't drink it all. We haven't got. ايش يا منذر الحل؟ Much. Yes. طبعا عندي هون water يا منذر وعندي negative. شو عندنا؟ Negative. حكى لي على الماتش وماني. ميز لي انه الماتش uncountable وماني countable. حكى لك we often use each one in negative sentences and questions. يلا يا زيد. زيد. classmates. طبعا classmates يا زملاء الصف. طبعا هي countable or uncountable يا زيد؟ Yeah, good. How many classmates did you invite to lunch? The next, look at the board, all of you. Look at the board. The next. يلا يا عمر. Listen to عمر.
We've only got a few activities we use usually.
We've got only listen يا محمد. We have only got DVDs. Singular or plural? Countable or uncountable? Again يا عمر. What we use? Few. لأنه a few we use a few with countable nouns. بتكون عندنا فيها singular form plural form. يلا أحمد. Careful. Pedestrians crossing the road. There are, yeah, a lot of. The next. Yeah, موجود الايه اصلا يا منذر. موجود عندك. يلا معتز.
There are some newspaper on my desk. Take one before you go.
Again.
There are some newspaper on my desk. Take one before you
singular form فهي بتعتبر uncountable. يلا يا قصي قصي. There is traffic in the village in the morning but not much. There is عندك traffic a little or a few. Yeah, good. عندنا a little traffic. ازدحام. I need. كريم. Yeah, there isn't much. إنه الفود عبارة عن uncountable وعندنا negative. The last one we don't know. محمد. We don't know a lot of people. We've just moved here. يلا check your answers. Okay, all of you open your books, page 99 عندنا grammar builder 3. هاي عندنا كمان exercises the same rule عندنا by using some, any, much, many, a few, a little, lot of, or lots of. Let's complete exercise 1. Raise your hand. طبعا هون. By using some or any. When we use some with affirmative sentences. And we use any in negative sentences and questions. Read number 1. يلا يا معتز.
I need some fresh air.
Yes, عندك السنتنس هاي negative or affirmative? Affirmative. I need some fresh air. Good. Page 99 يا منذر. Listen to Muhammad.
There isn't any traffic in the road.
Again.
There isn't any traffic on the road.
There isn't. Negative. Yeah. So we put any. Good. 3. طبعا هي كمان exercises على الرول revision إلها. أحمد.
Are there space minutes or are there any? Yes, because it's a question.
Yeah, excellent. 3. Good. Yes, Omar.
Have you got any homework also because it's a question?
Have you got any homework? Good. The next, Hamad. I am going out with some friends. Good. The next, yes, Karam. Excellent. طبعا it's easy exercise. Complete it quickly. يلا. The next exercise, by using a little or a few. Again, we use a few with countable nouns. We use a little with uncountable nouns. Let's read number 1, ya Omar. Would you like?
Would you like some pasta? Just if you are not very hungry.
Pasta. We use a few or a little. A little. Good. Uncountable. Stop. Uncountable. The next. Yeah, right. Number 2. Yalla. Let's read number 2. Yes, ya Ali. Again, I went to the cinema with. Excellent. عندنا a few friends لأنها countable. يلا يا كريم. I spent. طلع عندي time كريم. Time. Countable or uncountable? So we use a little time. Don't forget if the noun countable or uncountable to write the correct answer. يلا يا موسى دين قصاي. Excellent. She put a few books in the town. يلا أحمد. Number 5. This one. I only recognize people. Countable or uncountable? So we use a few. The last one. She isn't a vegetarian, but she only eats. I am Hamad. Yeah, good. لعنا meat a little. Okay, طبعا هاي ريفيجن للجرامر. عندنا quantifiers. كان عندنا exercise self check. وعندنا برضه الجرامر reference اللي عندنا page 99 exercise 1 and 2. You should study them. حكينا انه رح نعمل ريفيجن سريعه from 1 to 5 لعندنا الفوكابيولاري اللي هي المفردات the highlighted words. Listen to me and raise your hand. Which word means? Listen, okay? A person who works with documents in an office, bank, etc. Again, which word means? Someone who works with documents in an office, bank, etc. Yes, Hamad? Excellent, Claire. Another one. People who come to live in a country from another country. People who come to live in a country from another country. Yes, Zaid? Excellent. Immigrants. Good. Another word. Which word means connected with the countryside? Yes, Musa? Again, Ahmad. Good. يعني rural. Yes. Another one. Listen to me. Listen. People حكينا who come to live in a country from another country. Immigrants. Connected with the countryside. Good. Someone who works with documents in an office. Hamza. Excellent. Growing or developing successfully. Ahmad. Again, thriving. Yeah, from 1 to 5. Okay, again, listen to me again. Growing or developing very fast or successfully. Raise your hand. Omar, what's the word? Growing or developing successfully. Qais? Thriving. Okay, tomorrow inshallah رح نكمل أنا وياكم. We are going to complete from 5 from this number 6 to number إيش عندنا. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. From number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget to memorize them and to review the previous ones. Thank you for listening.